For case study 1, Maria, a talented artist, won first place in a reality show competition and received a 300,000 ringgit prize. She decided to invest most of her winning in a financial institution, earning 3.35% interest compound monthly. Setting aside a portion for personal life, her goal is to use the investment income to open her own art gallery. After 7 years, her investment is worth 250,594 ringgit and 51 cents. Question A. How much of her prize money did Maria initially invest? For this case, we look for the present value, which is P. So, we have to use the P equal to S multiplied by 1 plus I to the power of negative N. To get I, we have to divide K by M, which is 0.0335 divided by 12. Next, to get N, we need to multiply 12 by 7. Then, substitute all the values into the formula to find the present value. So, we will get 198,276 ringgit and 57 cents. For B, what was the accumulated interest over 7 years period? For this case, we will use the formula I equal to S minus P. So, I equal to 250,594 ringgit and 51 cents minus 198,276 ringgit and 57 cents. So, we will get 52,317 ringgit and 94 cents for the accumulated interest.
So, let's look at part C. The question is, how long did it take for Maria to earn 300,000 ringgit from her investment? So, we use the compound interest formula, which is S equals to P times 1 plus I to the power of N. As we know, I equals to K over M, so we substitute that into the formula. And N equals to M times T, so we substitute that into the formula also. From the information given, we know that S is 300,000 ringgit and P, the present value, is 198,276 ringgit 57 cents. For the annual interest rate, or K, it is 3.35%, and we turn it into decimal, 0.0335, and the money invested in the account is compounded monthly, so M equals to 12, and T is the number of years we want to find. First, we substitute all the values. So, it's 300,000 ringgit equals to 198,276.57 cents times 1 plus 0.0335 over 12 to the power of 12t. Next, we divide both sides with 198,276 and 57 cents to isolate the power terms. So it gives us 1.5130 equals to 1.0028 to the power of 12t. To solve for t, we take logarithm on both sides. So it gives us log 1.5130 equals to log 1.0028 to the power of 12t. Using log rules, the exponent comes down, so it becomes log 1.5130 equals to 12t times log 1.0028. And then we divide the both numbers with log, so log 1.5130 over log 1.0028. So equals to 12t, and it gives us 148.0978 equals to 12t. And now we divide the numbers by 12, so it gives us t equals to 12.34. So the time taken is 12.34 years, and the decimal 0.34 of a year is roughly 4 months. Therefore, Maria took about 12 years and 4 months for her money to reach up to 300,000 ringgit. Let's move on to question D. We want to find the nominal annual interest rate compounded quarterly that will grow Maria's investment to 300,000 ringgit in 5 years. Again, we use the compound interest formula, which is S equals to P times 1 plus I to the power of N. To calculate I, we need to divide K over M, and N is M times T. From the information given, we know that S is 300,000 ringgit and P is 198,276 and 57 cents. It is quarterly compounding, so M equals to 4, and time, or T, is 5 years. And K is the nominal annual rate we want to find. So we substitute the values into the formula. So it becomes 300,000 equals to 198,276.57 times 1 plus K over 4 to the power of 4 times 5. Next, we divide both sides by 198,276 and 57 cents. So it became 1.5130 equals to 1 plus k over 4 to the power of 20. In order to calculate k, we use log on both sides, so it became log 1.5130 equals to log 1 plus k over 4 to the power of 20. And using log rules, exponent comes down, and we isolate the log expression, so it became log 1.5130 over 20 equals to log 1 plus k over 4. And it became 0.009 equals to log time plus k over 4. And then to remove the log, we convert the exponential form. It gives us 1.0209 equals to 1 plus k over 4. And we subtract 1 from both sides. And we multiply it by 4. So k, we get 0.0839. So the nominal annual interest rate is 8.36%.
Vidya deposit 50,000 ringgit in an account that pays 5% compounded quarterly. 5 years later, she withdrew all her savings to pay a down payment on the purchase of a shop lot costing 150,000 ringgit. The balance is to be settled through equal monthly payment for the next 8 years at an interest rate of 6.5% compounded monthly. Calculate the value of the monthly payment. The principal amount is P equals 50,000 ringgit. The nominal interest rate is K equals 5%. The quarterly interest rate is I equals K divided M. So 0.05 divided 4 and we will get 0.0125. The formula we use is S equals P times 1 plus I to the power of N. So S equals 50,000 times 1 plus 0.0125 to the power of 4 times 5. S equals 19,230 ringgit and 56 cents. A equals 150,000 ringgit minus 9,230 ringgit and 56 cents. The answer is 130,769 ringgit and 44 cents. We need to use annuity formula, which is A equals R time 1 minus time 1 plus I to the power of negative n divided I. 130,769 ringgit and 44 cents equal R time 1 minus time 1 plus 0.065 divided 12 to the power of negative 12 times x. So the final answer is 1,750 ringgit and 51 cents.
Izo planned to purchase an apartment that cost RM 158,000. He had to pay a 10% down payment. If he deposited RM 1,117.84 cents every 3 months in an account that paid interest of 8 compounded quarterly to cover the down payment, how many payments would he make? The formula is S equals to R bracket in bracket 1 plus I close bracket to the power of N minus 1 divided by I bracket. I equals to K divided by M means that 0.08 divided 4 equals to 0.02. 0.1 multiplied 158,000 equals to 15,800 is the S. So 15,800 equals to 1,178.4 cents bracket in bracket 1 plus 0.02 close bracket to the power of n minus 1 divide 0.02 bracket. 15,800 divided by 1,178.4 cents equals to 13.4121. 13.4121 multiplied by 0.02, we will get 0.2682, and we will plus 1 become 1.2682. So insert log 1.2682 equals to n log 1.02. N equals to log 1.2682 divided by log 1.02. So n is 12.
Izu took a loan to pay the balance of the cost of the apartment. The loan was for 25 years and was to be paid monthly at a 6% compounded monthly rate. Find the monthly payment for the loan. M equals to 12 and 25 multiplied 12 and we get 300. I 0.06 divide 12 and we get 0.005. 115,800 multiplied 10% equals to 15,800. 115,800 minus 15,800. So A is 142,200. A equals to R bracket 1 minus in bracket 1 plus I close bracket the power of negative n divide I and bracket 142,200 equals to R bracket 1 minus in bracket 1 plus 0.005 close bracket the power of negative
300 divided by 0.005 bracket. So the answer for R is Rm 916.20 cent. Sn equals to R bracket in bracket 1 plus I close bracket the power of n minus 1 divided by I bracket. The answer is S6 equals to 5,566.37 cent.